Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I get started with these zombies from Zombicide Undead are alive. This week it is the runners. They have been black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with Cuirass leather. This is for the bottoms on this mini, but I mix it up and do these shirts or the boots on the other ones so that it looks a little bit different when they're all on the table. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. The next colour is olive green. Again, this is just for a different piece of clothing on all of the minis. The final colour for a random piece of clothing is Cork brown. I do the hair on this mini as well in this colour, but I would not recommend it, as it looks a bit odd when the bandana is the same colour. For the skin, I gave them a quick base coat using Necrotic flesh from Army Painter. As with all of my Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. The bandana around his neck also gets repainted in this colour so that it doesn't look too weird. To highlight up the flesh, I grabbed dead flesh and just touched up the raised areas. Next up, I used temple stone to highlight up everything on the clothing. For the wash, I went for a strong tone over everything. Just because it's a horde army and there's no real need to use coloured washes on each piece of clothing, once they're in a group on the board, you can't really tell the difference. The base materials finally arrived, so I grabbed a shoddy brush and used this to paint on sandy desert texture from AK Interactive. You can't have a zombie without some blood, so I used Vampire Thirst to spatter this all over the mini, mostly in places where I didn't quite get full coverage or I slipped with the brush while painting it. And that will be it for the runners. Altogether, this mini took around 15 minutes to get finished, which is perfect when you have to paint 16 of them at a time. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.